Hello and welcome back to another episode of Physics Partner. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and seen a bright streak of light? You probably pointed and said, "Look, a shooting star." But what if I told you that's not a star at all? Today we are clearing up the cosmic confusion and learning the difference between a meteoroid, a meteor, and a meteorite. It's all about location, location, location. Let's start our story out in deep space. Floating around our solar system are countless chunks of rock and metal. These can be pieces left over from the formation of planets or fragments from broken up asteroids or comets. When these chunks are out in space, minding their own business, we call them meteoroids. Think of a meteoroid as a space rock that's on a journey, but has not entered our neighborhood yet. Now sometimes the gravity of a planet like Earth pulls one of these meteoroids into our atmosphere. There is where things get exciting. When a meteoroid enters Earth's atmosphere, it's traveling incredibly fast, like tens of thousands of miles per hour. This high speed creates a huge amount of friction with the air molecules. This friction causes the rock to heat up immensely and glow brilliantly. This streak of light is what we see from the ground, and this is what we call a meteor, or more commonly a shooting star. So quick recap. Space rock minding its own business. Meteoroid, a space rock burning up in our atmosphere, creating a beautiful light show. Meteor. Most meteors are small and completely burn up before they ever reach the ground. But what about the ones that don't burn up completely? This brings us to our final term. If a meteoroid is large enough to survive the fiery trip through the atmosphere and actually land on the surface of the Earth, we finally call it a meteorite. So a meteorite is literally a piece of space rock that can even touch and study. Scientists love finding meteorites because they are like free samples from other parts of our solar system. So, to put it all, a meteoroid is flying through space. It gets pulled in by Earth's gravity, becomes a meteor as it burns up in the sky. And if any piece survives, the leftover rock on the grounds is a meteorite. It's the same object. We just change its names based on where it is. So, I think it's enough for today. So thank you very much for listening and watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is useful for you. So take care of yourself and don't hesitate to write an email if you have any question, query, suggestion, and even classes are required. Take care of yourself meanwhile. See you in the next video. Goodbye.